my channel. It is Adele B back with another video. So today we are installing this big, beautiful, curly closure wig. So this hair is perfect for the summer because I know that, like, you know, when you have frontals, you gotta glue it down sometimes, and like it's just not all the way convenient for the summer. This is gonna be a low maintenance wig that you can wear. The curls are beautiful, and I got this hair from Beauty Forever. So in the bag, it came with lashes. It came with a little pouch. I'm gonna show you guys the pouch. Came with this pouch, and it came with this, which was really helpful because I needed a silk tie to tie down my little edges. All right. So this hair is Malaysian curly. I think it is 20 inches and 222 inches. This is the same hair that I revived in my last video. If you guys want to check that video out. I did end up buying another closure for the wig because I wanted to do something different and I needed a new closure. Okay. But this hair is beautiful. I had the bundles since last year, and even though it does shed a little bit, but I think it's just the fact that it's curly hair. It doesn't shed excessively, and I've had bad curly hair before, so I'm telling you, this hair is really good. As far as the closure that I just recently ordered, it does come pre-plucked, but I did bleach it and I plucked it myself. You will see later on in the video that I do all of that, and I do have a couple clips of me making the wig. Nothing crazy because I wasn't really thinking about making a video on making a wig. Also, I feel like I'm still trying to perfect my stitching and my technique, so until I feel like I'm ready to display that, then I will. But it's just probably going to be a little clip of me doing that. But yeah, this hair is really nice. After I made the wig and everything, I did not wash it, so I just wetted a little, and I added Cantu for curly hair, curly wigs, and I put a little bit of Nairobi foaming wrap, sorry, just to revive the curls a little bit. But overall, this hair is amazing. Anyway, I'm bigging up Beauty Forever hair. I really like their hair. So yeah, this hair is big. I've mentioned before in my other videos that I love big hair, so this hair is so big. I'm looking in the mirror and oh my gosh, I'm small. I'm 5'1" and I'm skinny, so like this hair is big on me at least. This is where the hair comes up to. Oh, it's like, I mean, stretched out, it goes to my tailbone / my butt. So this hair is pretty long on me, and I think it's true to length. And yeah, anyway, get into this low maintenance spring / summer. I mean, summer is coming up. This is big hair. It will be hot, but it'll be cute. Stay tuned for the rest of the video and I will be back. I forgot to add that this is an 18-inch closure. So it's an 18-inch closure, 20-inch bundle, and 222-inch bundle, and it's a 4x4. It's just a 4x4 closure. Right here is a short clip of me sewing the actual wig together. This isn't the greatest shot, but I wanted to show you guys my stitching from the inside because I think I'm getting better. So right here, I'm going to pluck the closure. So earlier I did say that the closure came pre-plucked. It came pre-parted, not pre-plucked. So I did have to go in and thin out the closure a little bit. I think everybody has seen a video of someone plucking a closure, but basically I'm not plucking directly at the front of the hairline, but I'm parting throughout the closure to thin it out. plucking your closure, you want to go in the direct front and get rid of the harsh line that they have for the hairline. This is all the hair that I got from plucking the closure as well. So now we're ready to install. I am going to show you guys the inside again because I'm really impressed. And yeah, I bleached the closure so it matches my skin pretty well. I did add my foundation color, but overall it blended well. So right now I'm going in and I'm going to pluck more of the closure. So I'm guessing in the factory they kind of have these reinforcement tabs in order for the hair to not come off the closure. But you need to cut that off, but kind of cut it higher than where you actually cut the closure so it can blend better. So right here, I'm going in and I'm cutting the baby hairs, or the hairs that I want to be my baby hairs, with an eyebrow razor. I'm going in with the Nairobi foaming wrap to create the swoops as my baby hairs. So my tip is to take your time with these. I noticed that they were too long, so I cut them shorter. But take your time when you're creating the swoops. Just take your time when you're doing this. Don't get frustrated, because I know I've definitely gotten frustrated trying to do these. But yeah, take your time. So I ended up going in and plucking or creating thinner baby hair so it could look more natural. But this is what I mean, like, be patient. If you have to go back and retry again, then do it so you can get your desired look. watching. Don't forget to like and comment down the swirl emoji. I will put it up somewhere in the picture. But comment down the swirl emoji and let me know how you feel about this video, about this wig. Let me know if you are interested in buying this wig. And I'll see you in the next video.